Let me show you how to create cool text portrait effect in Photoshop. First, duplicate the original layer. Then go to the filter menu, pick blur and choose Gaussian blur to make the picture a bit blurry. Set the value according to your picture. Save it as a PSD. Now delete the copied layer to clean things up. Open your text and place it in your project by going to the file and clicking on Place Embedded. Simply pick the text. Now adjust it so it looks fit nicely. Go back to the filter, select the sword and click on Displays. Click OK and choose the PSD file that you saved earlier. This time, make it more interesting by adding a black and white adjustment layer. At the bottom, choose a black solid color and move it down to style your project. Drag it down. Put the picture at the top of the text layer. Copy your picture layer for extra style. Select the bottom image and create it as a clip and mask. Invert the mask for some extra flair. Select the brush tool and remember that foreground color must be white. Let's erase the unwanted areas. Merge all layers. Then go to the adjustment layer and click on color lookup. Pick a preset like the golden one to make it look pop up. There you go, you have made an awesome text portrait. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have fun in creating.